be collapsed. Yours, your mother's, your father's. So people have got to stop the public from being hurt. Officer, I'm instructing you to read the paper. Read the paper. Read the paper. Officer, you as well need to read the paper. Somebody read the paper. Thank you, officer. Wait!
Put the sledgehammer down.
Wait!
Put it down.
Wait!
Put the sledgehammer down.
Please read the paper.
Put it down.
Wait!
Put the sledgehammer
Why
down.
would you do that?
Put the sledgehammer
Why
down.
would you argue with me, instruct me, when an officer is doing what I'm asking?
Put the sledgehammer down.
It's called provocative. You're being provocative. Have you read it? Have you read it? Officer, have you read it?
Don't taser